Hey, the wife's gone. I'm going to do a quick bro video. I was at a party last weekend. A couple of my buddies were like, hey, you're looking skinny. You're looking good. They said, I'm never going to cook, dude. So I like your videos, but I'm never going to cook. Is there anything I can do just to start losing weight? Yes. See these little party sausages? I had a buddy that lost 80 pounds by eating nothing but these. That's bad. It's heavily processed food. I like to say there's 3 stages to kind of getting into the low carb thing. Stage 1, little sausages, 30 seconds in a microwave. They're pre-cooked. You don't even have to microwave them. On road trips, I've just eaten those cold and it's fine. There are things like this, Trader Joe's pork belly. These are so delicious. Look at that, 0 carbs. If you eat these, the sausages alone for 2 weeks, nothing else, you'll lose about 10 pounds. I've done it multiple times. It's not the healthy way to do it because of all the processed foods. If you are gonna eat something, even if it's the same steak, try to vary it up, okay? So, I don't know if it's gonna focus. Both of these mustards, they're 0 carbs. This is all 0 carbs. That with a little bit of go juice, use cold heavy cream. You'll lose weight on this. You'll get in the game. As I said, I like to think there's 3 phases. Phase 1 is just to cut the carbs. To cut the carbs. Phase 1, just cut the carbs, right? Phase 2, start eating healthier. Look at these. Those are some sexy looking little strips, aren't they? I'll put a link below to our butcher box. You don't have to order anything from us. Just go to the store, buy clean, healthy meat, something that doesn't have coloring and everything else in it. That's phase 2. Phase 3 is start to look at all those micronutrients and everything around your diet. It will help you in the long run. When I first started cutting all these carbs, I got a muscle cramp. First one, I was 40 something before my first muscle cramp. I'm like, what? I tell you why. See, these are exogenous ketones. I'll put a link below. You don't need these to be in ketosis. Just eat this and you're fine. That's clean fuel going in, which means clean performance coming out. This is dirty fuel. Be clean, be smart, but also be knowledgeable. Look, I don't know if it'll focus. Magnesium. I got a muscle cramp because I wasn't watching on my electrolytes. If you're gonna eat keto, you need extra magnesium, extra selenium. I would get a pinch of Himalayan sea salt. I think that's phase 3. Phase 1, cut the carbs. Phase 2, eat real clean food. Phase 3, start working all your micronutrients and everything. That's the quick, easy way to do it. Right now, just get in and lose weight. My buddy that lost tons of pounds, like 80 pounds on those little sausages, once he lost about 50 pounds, he started eating cleaner food, and then he started really getting into all the micro aspects of eating healthier. This will help you lose weight. It's not the clean way to do it. There's one ingredient, that's beef. You want to eat 1 ingredient foods. That's going to help you long term, and that'll help you to feel better, help your brain get clearer. So those are the 3 quick bro phases, as I call them. First phase, just cut the carbs. Second phase, eat clean. Third phase, start learning all the stuff. Your first day, you don't want to have to learn how much magnesium you need to have in your diet. You don't have to. Get in the game, start losing weight. When that weight starts shredding, you'll start feeling lighter physically and lighter mentally, and then that'll help you to get in the game. I don't want you to eat anything unhealthy. I do want you to be healthy because y'all are our friends and we love you. This is literally the bro video for how to just get on the field and start playing. Then we can work on your tactics and we can work on the small micro details of how to play the game effectively. That's it. We love you. Keto on. I'm going to cut the video short so my wife doesn't yell at me for showing you little bitty sausages as an eating source. I just want you to get in the game. You 2 guys know who I'm talking about. Get in the game. Get into it. We'll try to post more videos soon. We got tons that we haven't edited yet. We love you guys. Keto on.